Bobby Stein here. Today's Saturday, the 14th of May. I'm on Highway 1 North, going by the Winterville Mounds. I always enjoy seeing them and filming them. Hope y'all do too. Headed up to Perthshire, Mississippi, which is right above Gunnison. And then we're going to cut across Highway 35 to Shelby, Mississippi. And the reason we're going to Shelby is because the last time I was there, which was about a month ago or a month and a half ago, I did a pretty poor job of filming Shelby. I guess you could say I was guilty of the sin of omission because I left out the bad parts of Shelby and tried to accentuate whatever good parts there were. So I feel guilty about that. And so that's why I'm going back today. I'm going to try to give a more honest, accurate portrayal of Shelby. So we will be up there in a few minutes. Y'all hang with me. And we will see Shelby, Mississippi. I'm in Beulah, Mississippi. I thought I would make a stop here. This is where the old Morning Star, I believe it was a Missionary Baptist church, used to be. And the church was either burned or torn down, but the graveyard is still here. And I'm not sure, this might have been used as one of the scenes or part of a scene in the movie Crossroads with Ralph Macchio. But this is the graveyard to the church. One of my subscribers' family went to this church, I believe. Big graveyard. Anyway, we're in Beulah, and we are on our way to Perthshire. We'll be there shortly. We're coming up on Highway 32, and this will take us over to Shelby, Mississippi. There's the Mercy Seat Missionary Baptist Church. This is the Knowlton House. It was named Benamee. We're at the Knowlton House on Perthshire Plantation. It was called Benamee. Sort of grown attached to this plantation. I shot a video 2 years ago of Perthshire, and then I watched a documentary called Raising Cotton made by Emma Knowlton Lytle that showed plantation life over the period of about a year. That was really interesting. And then I saw some pictures that were made in 1939 of this plantation by the Farmers Security Administration photographers. So I've sort of grown attached to this, and I wanted to come back and film it. And it does look like they've done some work on it. They've replaced a lot of the wood since I've been here 2 years ago. This is a grand old house. Nice and peaceful out here. I didn't do such a good job of filming Shelby when I was up here about a month or so ago. I was tired. I'd been in Marigold for a while. I was tired. Shelby, to tell you the truth, depressed me. Of all the small towns that I filmed in the Delta, I think Shelby comes off as the worst. And I felt guilty about showing it as it was. So I chose to highlight what I could that looked good, and by sin of omission, I left out the other parts. So I'm going to try to rectify that today. And, I'm in the Shelby Cemetery. This is off Highway 32 outside of